So we out here, made it to the Lowkey show. We're gonna try to get as much footage as possible. So I'm over here recording for Mr. Tuesday. You know this car right here? Huh? My man's. He got it fully built. It's hard gonna be to hear because they got freaking music going, but he's definitely gonna be back on the channel, and we're gonna do a podcast. So you guys gotta know what's done to this beast. After that video I did with him, he got it redone. This is probably one of the nicest fucking 3/4 sedans right here. That's sick. I can't wait to fucking shoot it again and we can talk about it. It's gonna be sick. I'm gonna get some pictures. I'm just gonna walk around a little bit before it gets too hectic. Just so you guys can see, there's a lot of cars in here. I'll have to walk around and like either voice over or fucking mute all the music because it's just crazy. It's way too loud. It makes it so hard to record out. Part of the group. You've seen them before? Yeah. Damn, there's some nice ass cars out here, bro. Oh, the GTR is so beautiful. I need to tell Luke to let me fucking do a video on it and let me drive it.
Is this Luke?
Yeah, this is Luke. Damn, R34 right there.
Oh, shoot.
But that's like, I don't know if that might be actual GTR. But this is nice right here. Damn, look, you get all the attention, bro. That's a good lineup of cars.
What should we doing?
I don't know. Yo, look at the wrap on that thing. Where you park at? What you bring, the vet?
You already know I brought the bit.
Oh, okay.
It's straight ahead, past those bushes.
Ah, okay. Yo, look at that. Should look like Vice City. That's kind of cool. Gotta try to stay consistent posting every week.
Nice.
Because that's what always fucks me over. I start posting, and then like I stop, and then that's it. Then that shit drop my thing. Look, this is the front bumper I want for my car. That's the one I had.
Oh yeah, the way you slice the deal.
Yeah,
with?
and this, yeah. So I want the rear bumper, side skirts, and front bumper on my seat. So, Jesus, this looks like
Johnny on the spot.
This looks like a freaking scene from Fast and the Furious. Like, yo, break. You remember that scene? Too Fast and Furious?
We're not tracking them on video. Must have lost them in the scramble.
Yo, let's break.
All right, let's get out the way so we wouldn't get run over.
God,
Bruh.
look at this. Oh.
Whew. Yes, sir. That is fucking sick.
What you pushing, big dog? Yes, bro. I remember everybody. Hey, my boy out here with his Q2, so you can definitely ask him. The one with the blue route, and then the one with the red route. Yeah, both of them. Yeah, because he got his own little what you call it, John? Not a car franchise.
This guy's always doing something reckless.
You seen him before?
Yeah, I know him. Why? Were you looking for him?
No. No. I ain't never seen him.
That's clean, bro.
Right there.
Blood in and blood out.
Nah, yeah. You can talk to him when you get here. Just let me know when you get here.
They should definitely probably got an LS in it.
Bruh, it's not $100,000.
That's sick as fuck. That's a nice color too.
I do it.
That's clean. Ooh, nice.
The Honda Odyssey with the pole cam on the back of it?
No, is it here?
Yes.
I didn't see
I
that.
don't know what they got in it.
Everybody pulling out now. Know people are gonna be stupid out here, so we need the content. Let's go get it. Just like that. goddamn footage. Let's go. What up, dog? Sad day.
I know. I saw